Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have admin access. Start by opening SSMS and connecting to the instance. Run select server property, edition, server property product version, server property license type to capture edition and version. Also check instance name and whether the server runs on physical or virtual hardware. These immediate queries give you the facts you need to map licensing rules. Once done, record Windows Server version and any hypervisor info, because licensing can differ for virtual machines versus physical hosts. Make sure to note core counts next. Now drill into core and processor details so you can apply core-based licensing correctly. Query sys. DM OS sys info for CPU count and scheduler count, or run PowerShell to pull physical core counts from the host. Compare those numbers to SQL Server Edition requirements to determine if core licensing or client access licenses apply. Also review your organization's license entitlements. Software assurance, enterprise agreement, or subscription could change compliance. Once you reconcile counts and entitlement, calculate required license metrics and document them. Finish by producing a clear compliance summary listing edition, version, host cores, allocated licenses, and software assurance status so stakeholders can sign off. Reconcile that report with purchase orders and licensing portal entries. If numbers don't match, request license certificates or reseller proof. If you hit problems, use Microsoft License Advisor or run diagnostic scripts to capture configuration and error logs. One key troubleshooting tip. If counts differ due to virtualization, verify guest affinity and host license assignments before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.